Is it too late to start over? I hear that question all the time. Whether it's about your career, your purpose, or this deeper sense that something needs to change in your life, you're not alone. So today I'm going to share 5 reasons why it absolutely is not too late to start over. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to share something that might just flip the way that you see things. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Elly and I absolutely love having you here. Okay, let's dive in. Here are the 5 reasons why it's not late to start over, regardless of your age. Reason number 1, you are not behind. You are right on time. Look, I know it feels like you're behind. Maybe other people around you seem further ahead, but you're not behind. Look at it this way. You're just early for your next chapter. There's no one right timeline. Did you know Vera Wang started designing wedding dresses at 40? She was 40 when she started. Julia Child didn't publish her first cookbook until she was 50 years old. Here's some stats. 60% of women over 45 are actively planning a second career. That's so amazing. And 1 in 3 women over 35 are actively considering a major life or career shift this year. So that's not behind. That's a whole new beginning. So please know that if you're feeling that urge, that tug in your gut, it's not a crisis. It's just a calling. Your next chapter is waiting and you're right on time. So just go for it. Okay, reason number 2. Please know that your experience is your superpower. You know, by now you have handled tough conversations, you have solved problems, you have raised a family, you have led teams at work, you have rebuilt your life, perhaps after a loss. That's experience, and it's very valuable. Statistics show that entrepreneurs who are over 45 years old are more likely to succeed than those under 35, according to the Kaufman Foundation. Why? Because now you've got grit, you have got self-awareness, you've got wisdom. And when you walk into your next opportunity, you're not guessing anymore. You know your worth. So please know that you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from strength. Let that lead you forward. And you have ever asked yourself that question, hit like so many more women can find this. And subscribe if you're ready to find clarity, confidence, purpose in your next chapter. This is exactly why I created this space. Okay, great. Let's move on to reason number 3. Here it is. The career world has changed, and that's good for all of us. The way that we work has completely shifted. Remote work, flexible jobs, project-based careers. These aren't just temporary trends. They're here to stay. And statistics also support this. 71% of job seekers aged 35 to 55 now value flexibility and agility more than loyalty. You can freelance, you can consult, you can pivot, you can start your own business. There's so much flexibility. There are returnships, retraining programs, digital platforms that 5 years ago didn't exist. You don't need to fit in anymore. You just need to build something that fits you in your desired lifestyle, and that's just so liberating. Don't fit in anymore. Build the life that fits you. Okay, let's move on to reason number 4. Here it is. You have outgrown the version of you that settled in a job. I absolutely love this one. We all change and evolve, and you're at the stage right now that needs something different. Maybe you chose a path years ago that felt safe or necessary, but now you have grown. You have changed. What used to work for you does not work anymore. That's not failure. It is certainly not a setback. It's just clarity. And clarity is priceless, excuse the cliche. Did you know that 58% of women over 40 say that they feel more aligned with their values now than ever before? We really do seek alignment. That internal shift that you're feeling, that discomfort, it is feedback. It's just wisdom. So know that you don't need to keep shrinking to fit a life that you have outgrown. It's okay to want more in life and in work now. If this resonated, give it a like. It really helps to spread this message to reach more women. And subscribe because I post videos to help you build a life that feels good, not just on the inside, but on the inside and on the outside. Okay, and now on to reason number 5. You are not alone. There's a real movement happening across the globe right now with women, and that's so great to see. It can feel isolating when you're starting over, when you're at crossroads and you're not sure what your next step is. But here's the truth. You really are not alone in this. Over 4 million women in the UK and the US made big career changes after 35 in just the last 2 years. You're part of a big movement. More and more women are launching businesses, they're going back to school, they're retraining, they're pivoting to purpose-driven work. We want purpose because after years in the corporate world, women are realizing that aligning their work with their values and designing their ideal life is important to them. So that now they're switching and they're pivoting at an unprecedented rate. And I've built this space for women just like you. Comment course below if you'd like to be part of my very first cohort, designed to help you move from being stuck to being clear and confident in your next step. What I will ask in return is just your honest feedback before the course goes global and reaches thousands of people and women worldwide. So just know that you don't have to do this alone. There's a real power in doing it together. Okay, and now on to the big reveal that I promised you at the beginning of the video. And here it is. The real shift happens inside of us. Here's what really matters. This isn't about your CV or your resume. The shift is all about your mindset. It is about the internal story that you tell yourself every single day. So stop telling yourself the wrong story. Rewrite your self-narrative. You're not too late, and you certainly don't need to prove yourself again at all to anyone because you're not starting over. You're starting from experience this time around, from strength and from wisdom. And now you get to write your next chapter, your way. Here's the summary of the 5 reasons why it's not too late to start over. You're right on time. You're not behind. You're just starting your next chapter wiser and clearer. Your experience is your superpower. You have got skills, insight, resilience that you're younger you never had. And that is what employers want. The world of work has changed. Remote roles, returnships, portfolio careers make pivots more possible than ever before. You have outgrown settling in a job. That feeling of this isn't it is just your clarity calling. You're ready for more. And number 5, you're not alone. Millions of women are reinventing their lives, so just join the movement. Okay, thank you. And if you're wondering whether it's time to find a new job, check out this video next. 5 signs you're ready for a new job. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you there.